Hi, buyer. Thank you for taking my call. This is from, I work in the customer relations department. Now, if you like this call guide better, you could just take out, I work in the customer relations department, and you could change this to, I'm making a customer relations call. Okay? I'm making a customer relations call, and I just want to say thank you for working with our dealership. I want to make sure you had a good experience. And it looks like you worked with sales when you were here, right? So why would I say it like this? I work in the customer relations department. I want to say thank you for working with our dealership. As well, I'm calling to make sure you had a good experience. So maybe a little typo in there. It looks like you worked with sales when you were here, right? Why do I say it like that? Because it sounds like you call sales and service. It sounds generic. Hey, buyer, this is Kyle. I'm just making a customer relation call. I always call everybody that visits our dealership just to make sure they had a good experience. I call people from sales, I call people from service, and it looks like you worked with sales when you were here, right? Yeah, I worked with sales. Oh, cool, awesome. Who have you been working with? Have you been able to find a vehicle that you liked? Have you had a chance to test drive some vehicles? Have you been given estimates on pricing? What are you driving now? Have you had your vehicle appraised? Why do I ask them these questions, even though they were just here 2 days ago? What am I doing right now? I'm reworking the car deal. I'm thumbing through the car deal. This call is more for you. This is the BDC call guide. I thought I'd have BDC in here too.